Welcome. Wish you all a very happy Saraswati Puja, and also for those who are celebrating Vijayadashmi, wish you all a very happy Vijayadashmi. Welcome to Simplify Your Cooking with Uma. Today we are going to see rice payasam. So I have chosen a very easy and simple payasam for today. So let's see what are the ingredients. The main ingredient is just rice, which I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice, soaked it for 1 hour in water, and now I am going to drain the water and fry it in little bit of ghee. Come, let's see. So I have drained the water from this rice, which I have soaked for half an hour, 1 hour. Now I have taken a pan, and in the pan I have added some ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee. This 3 tablespoons of rice. I am going to just roast it to a light brown color in the ghee. The quantity is very less, but after you add milk, you will at least get 1 glass of spice. Just keep roasting in low flame till it becomes brown. See, the color of the rice is changed. Okay, the flame is in low. Remember, don't put it in high flame, it will get burned. Now to this I am going to add some 200 ml of boiled milk. Just keep stirring like this occasionally for the rice to be cooked. We'll wait for 10 minutes. You see, the grains have totally absorbed the milk, and they are getting cooked. Still it is. But you see how much the milk, I have added 200 ml of milk, and it is slowly condensed. So I need to add some more milk. Now I am adding only 100 ml of milk. Now that it is half cooked, I am adding 100 ml of milk. See, for this payasam you can use long grains also, and my experience while making this payasam, there are 3 different ways of preparing it. One way is to cook the rice and then mix it in, allow it to cook in milk. Another way is after roasting in ghee, you can give 1 whip in the mixie and do the same process. Now the taste will be varying in all these things. This is another method. Now in this, when the rice is cooked, you will feel very, it's a very rich payasam. Like the grains are totally cooked only in milk. So, and you will find the grains when you are eating. Grains are cooked grains in your mouth when you are eating. Just make it this way and see, you will enjoy it this way. See, it is well cooked. Okay, so this is the stage. I need to stop. Now I am adding half a cup. So totally 300 ml of milk. So I am taking half of this cup, maybe around 7 tablespoons of sugar. This is. I am stopping here. Here one thing you have to remember, never add sugar when the rice is getting cooked in milk. The rice will not get cooked at all. This is my experience. So you add it after the rice is cooked only. Yeah, I think the sugar is dissolved. I am adding some cardamom powder and mix it. So it's almost done. I'm switching off the flame. Now I'll transfer it to the another container. I already roasted some almonds and kismis. So I am adding this to the payasam and serve it to God or Naivedya. So viewers, try this payasam. It is very tasty. But remember two things. The one thing is it should be cooked in low flame, and second thing is never add sugar when the rice is getting cooked in milk. You add later on only. These two things out of my experience I am telling you. So if you like this recipe, you please subscribe my channel and share it, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you very much.